Have you ever forgotten something important? Frustrating, right? What if you could remember everything with ease? Welcome to the world of mnemonics and advanced organizers. Mnemonics are memory tools that help us remember information. They're grounded in cognitive psychology. Advanced organizers, introduced by David Ausubel, set the stage for new learning. Together, they help us learn more effectively. Let's dive into how they work. First, consider mnemonics. They come in various types, like acronyms. For example, HOMES helps you remember the Great Lakes. Then there's Acrostics, which use phrases. The first letters cue what you need to remember. Another method is the Loci technique. It's about mentally placing items on a familiar route. Think of walking through your house, associating each room with an item. Lastly, peg systems help connect items to pre-memorized pegs. Now, what about advanced organizers? They help relate new material to what we already know. Expository organizers provide a clear introduction. Comparative organizers connect new knowledge with existing concepts. So, how do we integrate these strategies into learning? Start with an advanced organizer. This sets the framework for what's to come. Then, introduce mnemonic techniques during practice and revision. Retrieval practice is essential. Implement quizzes and spaced retrieval to reinforce memory. The routine helps solidify encoding. Teachers play a critical role here. They design organizers, model mnemonic use, and create opportunities for spaced practices. Meanwhile, learners should engage with organizers. They form mental frameworks and create personal mnemonics. Practicing retrieval is key. It's all about applying mnemonics in real assessments. Now, let's go step by step on implementation. First, diagnose prior knowledge. Quick checks help determine students' current understanding. Then, present your advanced organizer. Use visuals like concept maps or outlines. Next, introduce mnemonic techniques, show various options suitable for the subject matter. After that, model and co-construct mnemonics with your class. This enhances their understanding and personalization. After building these tools, it's time for practice. Employ flashcards, quizzes, and collaborative recall tasks. This strengthens memory traces. Remember to space and vary practice too. Lastly, encourage reflection. Ask students which mnemonics worked best and how organizers aided their understanding. When assessing progress, consider recall tests. You can use cued recall and free recall tasks to check mnemonic effectiveness. Application tasks can show if students transfer their knowledge well. It's also important to aid diverse learners. For those with working memory challenges, visual aids are key. For EAL learners, mnemonics that leverage cognates and images are helpful, while advanced learners can create complex organizers. While mnemonics and organizers have many advantages, they do have some limitations. Over-reliance on mnemonics can lead to shallow learning. They may also not transfer well to problem-solving tasks. And advanced organizers require precise diagnosis of prior knowledge for effective learning. Let's look at a practical example in a GCSE Biology class. The topic is protein synthesis. Start with an advanced organizer like a concept map linking DNA structure, transcription, and translation. You could use an acrostic like, "Daring tourists prefer food," to help remember the order of processes. Or, place each step along a familiar route, using vivid imagery. In practice, use spaced quizzes, ask students to illustrate processes from memory, and explain each step. This ensures they comprehend rather than just memorize. In summary, mnemonics and advanced organizers enhance memory and comprehension. They add structure to new information and improve retention. Use them wisely in your classroom for better learning outcomes. Ready to boost your memory and learning? Start using mnemonics and advanced organizers today. Dive deeper into this exciting topic and watch your retention soar.